My camera's 9. YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
So, my camera just died. Hold on. I made some matcha, and I like low-key feel like this is going to be the best matcha ever. Cheers to us. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope that last year was good, and I hope this year is better. Today, I have a 2-client day, but one of the clients, one is for 2 and one is for 3 and one is for 7. It's a new year. I still can't multitask. I have 2 clients today. One is for 2, one is for 7, and come to work with me. Honestly, I just wanted to vlog because I haven't vlogged in so long. I have neglected my YouTube channel for a couple of months, and I'm just getting back on it. And I've just been busy. I've been lifing and just a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm here now. I'm going to Dollar Tree to find some stuff because I want to decorate the shop for Valentine's Day. I already have some stuff, but I want to go find some more stuff. So that's what we're doing now. I'm getting ready for work. It's 1:22. I'm excited to decorate the shop for Valentine's Day because Valentine's Day is my second favorite holiday. It's just so cutesy and so girly, and it's just I love love. Like, I love celebrating the people in my life, and Valentine's Day is like all of those things in one, and it's just ultra cutesy. So I'm excited for that. Okay, I'm just gonna finish getting ready because I don't have nothing else to talk about. So I made it to the shop. Soon as I got here, my first client canceled, which is fine. But that appointment was for 3 o'clock, so I'm not gonna just be here for 5 hours for no reason. Plus, I left all of my stuff at home. I left the stuff that I got from Dollar Tree for the tree. Because we have a tree here. I'm gonna show y'all later. I don't want to move the frame right now. But we have a tree here. I want to decorate it and make it Valentine's Day. So I bought some stuff for that. Left my water. And after my first client, I was gonna go get some stuff for that. But since that she just canceled on me, I think I am going to, there's still some stuff in here I need to do, but I'm just gonna go home because I'm right down the street. Come along with me. This is the day of an entrepreneur, the life of an entrepreneur. You get canceled, which I would say I haven't gotten canceled in a long time. I'm not sad about it because it's whatever. I be booked now. I really have not been canceled in a long time. I'm like, why does this person keep FaceTiming me? Like, y'all, tell me why my 7 p.m. canceled too. So I'm cutting this vlog short. I got this thing, which is basically like a little door fringe, and I'm debating if I want to put this on the front of the door or at the end, the back of the door. I think I'm gonna put it in the front of the door because our door is already wrapped for Christmas. I got these little XOXO cups. They're really cute. We have like a tea coffee station, but these cups are just too cute, so I'm gonna put that up. I probably could stay and do that, but now I just want to go home. Like, I got a free day. I'm going to go home. We're back. I was coming today early to put up this stuff, and T put it up. It's so cute. So the moral of the story was I came and her nieces were here and they were overstimulating me, and I was like, no, I'm about to go home. And I never said it, but she knew I got overstimulated and I left. And I think it's so funny because she told my sister, she's like, yeah, she got overstimulated and she went home. Because she knows me so well. But this is just so cute. It's like a little entry. You want to be in my vlog? This is the tree with like the little hearts. It was like this. You had a red one and a pink one. That's the pink one. But yeah, that is so cute. I feel like we could figure out something to do with this. I I gotta handle this, which I've been avoiding for the last 2 weeks. But I'm gonna need the space today, so that's what we got to do. Okay.
Hi. So I'm currently filling in for Tiana right now. So I want to show you guys what we got for.
She did say she got it for Christmas, actually.
Oh wait, let me show you guys our Christmas / Valentine's Day tree. So cute.
She's living my life.
So we have this for a sign. I've been for the last how long we've been here? Since August. I've been trying to get this sign together, and I think it's finally come together. So I'm thinking about making this, the ones in the back, these ones right like in the middle, and then I got these ones to go like in the front. So kind of just layer it. I want to get another pack of pink though, to fill it out a little bit more, because I want it to be mostly pink anyways. And right now it's like, is it really mostly pink? No. So I'm gonna get another pack, a big pink. And I kind of want like the more feathery type looking one, like the fluffy one, but I can't find those anywhere. So I got that.
And we gotta get this green square.
Nope, I already got it. And we got the green square. So now all we just need is like another pack of pink, and then I think we're good.
This is how it came out. And this is the mess. So I'm just gonna clean that, and then I'm gonna be chilling out today with my people. Let's see how long I stay.
I'm not gonna lie, the blonde did wash her off.
It did. Okay, hey guys. So I'm going to be ending the vlog here. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you got this far, put a pink heart for Valentine's Day in it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.